What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called SPYR Technologies. SPYR Technologies focuses on the Internet of Things, and in this video, we're going to be introducing them. As we know, it's a massive multi-billion-dollar market. So in this video, we're going to get into everything that they do, take a look at the company, the stock, and a nice introduction. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you SPYR Technologies. Also, don't forget to leave us a like if you do appreciate these types of videos, all the new companies that we talk about, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Also, drop us some comments down below and let us know your thoughts. So, let's get straight into it, guys. The first thing I wanted to take a look at was, in fact, their website, and that is SPYR.com or SPYR.com. SPYR Technologies, or SPYR, is a technology company that, through its wholly owned subsidiary, Applied Magic, Inc., operates in the Internet of Things market, develops and resells Apple ecosystem-compatible products with an emphasis on the growing multi-billion-dollar smartphone market. SPYR continues to identify and target acquisitions that will grow its footprint in the industry and expand the product it offers consumers, including companies developing artificial intelligence and smart technology projects. So we're going to take some time and take a look at Applied Magic. So on October 20th, 2020, SPYR acquired Applied Magic, a registered Apple developer and reseller of Apple ecosystem compatible products with an emphasis on the growing multi-billion-dollar smartphone market as its wholly owned subsidiary. Applied Magic operates in the Internet of Things market, and more specifically the segment of the market related to the development, manufacture, and sale of devices and accessories specifically built on Apple's HomeKit framework. These products work within the Apple HomeKit ecosystem and are exclusive to the Apple market and its consumers. Initially, while working to develop, manufacture, and sell its own line of branded products, Applied Magic will be sourcing HomeKit products and accessories from worldwide manufacturers, vetting and selecting best-of-breed products, selling them direct, and supporting them. So guys, here we can see some of their products. We're also going to get into some information now about the stock. So the stock is currently traded on the OTC markets under ticker symbol SPYR. Company currently has a market cap of $9.6 million, a 52-week range of 2.6 cents, all the way up to 23.1 cents, an average daily volume of about 130,000 shares traded. As of today, it's trading for 3.82 cents. Now let's take a quick look at the one-year charts. As you can see, the stock was much higher about a year ago, but recently, hopefully we're finding some support around the 3 to 4 cent levels. So now might be a very interesting time to take a look at SPYR Technologies. So now I want to take a couple quick minutes to dive a little bit deeper into Applied Magic, see what they do. So smarter homes for smarter people. And we're just gonna, zoom through this investor deck just to try to get a better understanding of, what Applied Magic does, because it is their wholly owned subsidiary. What is Apple HomeKit? HomeKit is the language by which iPhones, iPads, and other Apple devices talk to and control smart home appliances, cameras, lights, thermostats, doorbells, and more. So in this technological age, we're seeing smart homes and technology pop up, and it's becoming more and more common nowadays, and it's definitely a thing of the future, and I'm sure that this trend will continue. We're seeing it more and more. It's really interesting, actually. The problem: Apple consumers, the most affluent and loyal customers of tech products, have very few smart devices to choose from that integrate with Apple's smart home app HomeKit and others. The solution creates smart hardware and software solutions exclusively for Apple customers. So their planned products: Apple HomeKit smartphone planned products, cameras, sensors, alarms, and other HomeKit specific items, CarPlay, Apple product accessories, and of course apps. So their business model: Apple focus, Apple consumer, high expendable income and willing to pay a premium for quality products. Quality experience: focus on Apple quality, ease of use products, market focus, strong relationship with the largest third-party Apple consumer products distributor. So consumer profile: Apple iOS users spend twice as much on technology as Android users. Then they are also early adopters and younger. These younger Apple consumers are willing to spend over $3,000 on smart home products. So there we go, guys. The average income, substantially higher for an iOS user. They're spending $1,212 versus an Android user spending $612. Market validation, this is 2020. So smart cameras, 5 billion, smart doorbells, 6 billion, smart thermostats, 1 billion. So multiple billion-dollar markets. Global market forecast in billions of dollars. So 2020, global smart home market forecasted growth of $108 billion. 2023, 120, and the trend continues higher. We're already over $100 billion. Marketing strategy, low cost, high impact marketing to get the word out quickly to our target audience. Enthusiast sites, professional reviewers, social media, distributors, existing clients, and trade shows. Totally makes sense. Leadership team, Dr. Harold Zink, product architect, and Kelly Clark, strategy and operations. So take a look at the management team. It's always a great idea to do your research and due diligence on the management team behind the company. This can be found on their website under presentations if you want to take a look. That, of course, is at ir.spyr.com/presentations. Applied Magic, that is their overview. So now I quickly want to get into their most recent press releases, and that'll be it for the video, guys. So here's an interesting article. Meet SPYR Technologies Applied Magic's CEO, Dr. Harold Zink. So if you want some more information on Dr. Harold, take a look at this article. But I wanted to read this quick quote. So after having spent the past year building our necessary infrastructure behind the proverbial scenes, the time has come to reveal the people behind the curtain, so to speak. Dr. Zink, or Harry as he likes to be called, has such a diverse and interesting background that I wanted our customers to know more about him. When Tim first approached me about doing a series of PRs and introducing us, I liked the idea right away. Markets are conversations, and conversations take place between people. So I always felt that we need to have our faces and names out there in order to better connect with our audience. So this is a very interesting press release because it talks all about management and their background. So take a look at that if you are interested in learning a little bit more about management. Now let's talk a little bit about the company, pre-orders. So SPYR Technologies Applied Magic opens up pre-orders of their new Magic Status cables. So a technology company whose subsidiary Applied Magic develops and resells Apple ecosystem compatible products in the growing multi-billion-dollar Internet of Things smart home and connected car markets announces the pre-orders of their new Magic Status cables. While we are ramping up production and waiting for the final packaging to be delivered, we wanted to open up pre-sales of our newest, most exciting product, the Magic Status cables. These are truly the better mousetrap of charging cables, and we are set to have the first shipment delivered within 30 days. By allowing our customers to get in line early via pre-sales orders, we are also giving them the opportunity to enjoy a pre-sale discount on cables of 20% off. Everybody wins, right? Last but not least, guys, this is the most recent press release. SPYR Technologies changes branding and logo to be in line with its current and future direction. So it's always nice to see an innovative company trying to improve, changes of branding. SPYR Technologies is a technology company whose subsidiary Applied Magic develops and resells Apple ecosystem compatible products in the growing multi-billion-dollar Internet of Things smart home and connected car markets, changes its logo to reflect the company's new direction. Let's see what their CEO had to say. So we felt it was the right time and that a visual update was necessary to reflect not just our new direction and new management, but an entirely new SPYR that embraces teamwork and common goals. It's nice to see companies that care about their branding. Of course, we know branding is very important in this market, especially with social media and all of that. So anyways, guys, it's an interesting company. We'll see if we can get management on for an interview, but right now we're simply introducing them. Feel free to do your research and due diligence. I always encourage you guys to do more research and due diligence. On my channel here, we simply love to introduce new companies and open up the door, for you guys to thoroughly research them. And always remember, guys, these videos are not financial advice. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the company, what you think about the market opportunity, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.